At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a used bookstore can be an exciting venture for book lovers. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Research the demand for a used bookstore in your area. Consider factors like demographics, competition, and local reading habits. Look for gaps in the market that your bookstore can fill. 2. A business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your bookstore's concept, target market, competitive analysis, marketing strategy, financial projections, and startup costs. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business. 3. Location. Choose a strategic location for your bookstore. Look for areas with high foot traffic, preferably in a neighborhood known for its literary culture. Consider factors like rent, accessibility, and parking options. 4. Inventory. Build up your inventory of used books. You can acquire books through various means such as buying from individuals, estate sales, auctions, library sales, and wholesalers. Ensure that your inventory includes a diverse selection of genres and authors to appeal to a broad customer base. 5. Store layout and design. Design an inviting and organized layout for your bookstore. Arrange books in categories or genres for easy browsing. Create cozy reading nooks or seating areas where customers can relax and explore new titles. 6. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain any necessary permits or licenses required in your area. Consult with a legal expert to ensure compliance with regulations related to book sales, taxes, and zoning laws. 7. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers to your bookstore. Utilize both online and offline channels such as social media, local advertising, book signings, author events, and community partnerships. Consider offering loyalty programs or discounts to incentivize repeat business. 8. Online presence. Establish an online presence through a website and social media platforms. Use your online platforms to showcase your bookstore's inventory, announce upcoming events, and engage with customers. Consider selling books online through your website or third-party platforms to reach a broader audience. 9. Customer experience. Focus on providing exceptional customer service and creating a welcoming atmosphere in your bookstore. Train your staff to be knowledgeable about books and assist customers in finding titles they'll enjoy. Host book clubs, author readings, or other literary events to foster a sense of community among your customers. 10. Adapt and evolve. Stay abreast of industry trends and be prepared to adapt your bookstore's offerings and services accordingly. Solicit feedback from customers and be open to making changes that enhance their shopping experience. Starting a used bookstore requires dedication, passion, and hard work, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a fulfilling and successful business venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.